Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn one of the important chapters of grammar, which is an integral part of language. आज हम ऐसे एक लेसन पढ़ने वाले हैं ग्रामर का, which is very much important, right? Which is the, as I said, integral part of a language, grammar, right? ये जो वीडियो मैं बना रहा हूँ, this is for grade first, grade second, grade third, and anyone can watch it. It is important for all because from the grade first till we study English, even in regular life, we need to know the tense forms, right? Once we know the tense forms, we can learn the language very easily. Even we are able to speak fluently, and which is very much important part, which is very much important for today's generation, right? So ये जो मैं lesson ले रहा हूँ, this is, yes, of course it's a workbook part, let it be grade first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but ये आगे जाके भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा important होने वाला है, right? So I will try to convert it in Hindi and Marathi also, क्योंकि मुझे पता है पेरेंट्स भी वीडियोस देखते हैं. सो आपको भी अगर समझता है तो सम थिंग्स यू कैन मेक अंडरस्टैंड, राइट, टू योर चाइल्ड, राइट. दैट्स द रीजन. जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो केयरफुली, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, do let me know, do message me, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, whatever, right? So right now I want you to watch this video very carefully, listen to me very carefully, right? Generally everybody knows there are three types of tense, but what is the important of it, right? Why do we use it? That is main thing. Now this video that I am making here, I'll be simplifying maybe two types of tense, right? ये आप सबको देखना है ग्रेड फर्स्ट से फिफ्थ तक, बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज इट्स इन वर्कबुक टेंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. टेंस विच वी कॉल इन मराठी काळ, राईट? मराठीमध्ये आपण याला काळ म्हणतो. टेंस, देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंस दैट एवरीबडी नोज, विच इज रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड. प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस. Out of all these three tenses, today we will concentrate on present tense, which is very much important because we live in a present and we should live in a present, and we should concentrate on some types of the present tense which will be very much easier to understand, because while speaking we prefer speaking in, or we prefer using present tense because that is needed. So every tense has its four types, as I told you. Even previously I have made videos on this, but still I am making this video for all of you, for all the grades, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Present tense. Present tense has its four types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. प्रेजेंट टेंस को हम मराठी में बोलते हैं साधा वर्तमान काळ. दिस इज जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज यू शुड नो मदर टंग ऑल्सो, लाइक व्हाट डू वी कॉल इन आवर मदर टंग एंड ऑल. सो साधा वर्तमान काळ और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. लेट मी टेल यू अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज यूज्ड फॉर the actions that happens every day. जो हम अपना रूटीन बताते हैं कि मी सकाळी 5ला उठतो, मग मी जॉगिंगला जातो, देन मी ब्रेकफास्ट करतो, मी हे करतो, मी ते करतो, राईट? किंवा मी प्रत्येक संडेला टेम्पलमध्ये जातो, लाईक आय विजिट टेम्पल एव्हरी संडेज, राईट? और आय गेट अप अराउंड 5 एव्हरी डे. आय गो टू स्कूल अराउंड 10. सो हे जे वेगवेगळे सेंटेन्स आहेत जे आपण करतो रोजचे, सो इन अ लाईक इफ आय हॅव टू ब्रीफ यू, इट्स लाईक योर डेली रूटीन. ही डेली रुटीन जेव्हा आपल्याला सांगायची असते इंग्लिशमध्ये, वी हॅव टू यूज सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स. मी असं करतो, हे असं होतं, हे एक पहिली गोष्ट. लाईक सिन्स मॉर्निंग टिल वी स्लीप, वेन वी गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टिल वी स्लीप, वी हॅव अ लॉट ऑफ ॲक्शन्स. लाईक I get up early in the morning, so getting up, then I eat fruits, then I go to school, then I study over there. So throughout the day what do you do, and how to make simple present tense, like how to construct sentences is quite easy. Simple, जो sentence कोई भी start होता है with subject, right, then verb, and then object. Object means remaining words. It can be noun also. So that is very much important part. Let me tell you. So simple present tense, as I said, subject plus verb plus object. So subject means I, we, you, they, then anything, right? Then verbs, as I told you, eat, drink, walk, run. Only third person singular subjects take yes in the end of verbs. जेव्हा कर्ता हा तृतीय पुरुषी एकवचनी असतो तेव्हा क्रियापदाला यस किंवा इयस लागतं. टू टेल यू इन मराठी, whenever there is a third person singular, we have to add yes or es to the verb. Like, I like coffee a lot. You like coffee a lot. But he likes coffee a lot. She likes coffee a lot. They like coffee a lot. We like coffee a lot. So out of all this, first person is I, second person is you, right? And third person is he, she, it. And third person singular. और जो भी nouns होते हैं, like let's take example, Ram likes a coffee a lot. So Ram is a third person and Ram noun, right? So this is how we have to construct a sentences of simple present tense. So first thing we learn, simple present tense में क्या use होता है, तो regular वाले actions, regular जो भी हम करते हैं, right? Then comes second. Why do we use simple present tense? Second thing is universal truth, right? Universal truth. जो भी वर्ल्ड में चीजें जो कभी बदलेंगी नहीं, जो कभी बदली नहीं, right? Sun rises, the sun rises in the east. It is not going to change. Neither it used to rise in the west, right? It used to rise in the east only. सूर्य पूर्वेला उगवतो. ही जी सिच्युएशन आहे किंवा हे जे सत्य आहे ते कधीच बदलणारं नाही आहे. सो अशा युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथच्या गोष्टी ह्या सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्समध्ये सांगायच्या. सन रायझेस इन द ईस्ट. गॉट इट? सो रेग्युलर ॲक्शन डेली रुटीनवाले, देन युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथ्स. इवन इन न्यूजपेपर्स फॉर द हेडलाईन सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स इज यूज्ड. गॉट इट? And what construction is quite easy. Subject plus verb plus object. अगर subject third person singular है तो yes yes in the end of verb, और अगर subject noun है third person तो तभी भी yes yes in the end of verb, right? So since morning till we sleep, as I told you, we do so many actions, and to talk about everyday things we need to use the simple present tense. Understood? Yes. Next, present continuous tense, that I will teach you in next video. Thank you.